If you want to join a club on chess.com, this quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to connect with other players, join discussions, or take part in club events, chess.com makes it easy to find and join the right club for you. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to videos. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your chess.com account and look at the left sidebar. Hover over Community. This is where chess.com keeps most of its social and group features, including clubs. Once you hover over it, a menu will appear. From that menu, click Clubs. After you click Clubs, you'll be taken to the Clubs area. On the right side of the page, you should see a Find Clubs button. Click that button to start browsing available clubs. Chess.com will show you a list of popular clubs, recommended clubs, and maybe even clubs based on your interests or activity. Now take a moment to browse through the options. You can look at club names, descriptions, member counts, and the type of community each club has. This is helpful because some clubs are casual and social, while others are focused on tournaments, coaching, puzzles, or specific playing levels. Choosing the right club can make your experience much better. When you find a club you're interested in, click on the club's name to open its page. On the club page, you'll usually see details like the club description, recent posts, events, and membership information. This is a good place to check whether the club matches what you're looking for before joining. If everything looks good, look for the green join button. Click that button to send your request or join the club, depending on the club's settings. In many cases, you'll be added right away. In other cases, the club may require approval from an admin or moderator before you become a member. If your request needs approval, just wait for the club to review it. Once approved, you'll be able to participate in club discussions, join events, and interact with other members. After joining, you may want to turn on notifications so you don't miss new posts, announcements, or upcoming activities. That's really all it takes to join a club on chess.com. Hover over Community, click Clubs, find a club, open its page, and press Join. It's a simple process, but it can open the door to a much more social and engaging chess experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.